Welcome to the pub, welcome to my world. I'm SideQuest Publications, and this is a fidget pen unboxing. Now, most of you, I'm sure by now, have heard about all kinds of different fidget products, mostly the fidget spinners, widget spinners, ninja spinners, and whatever other names they go by. Personally, useful product for the purpose it's designed for, but not really something I was sure I was interested in. Though I might make an exception for the fidget cube. But when I heard about the fidget pen, writer that I am, well, then I was intrigued. The fidget pen, how I found it, was on an Indiegogo crowdfunding campaign, and as such campaigns go, you can pledge money for all kinds of different things, ranging from just contributing to the company and getting thanks for doing so. Envelope is stubborn. To basically doing the equivalent of buying the product before it's officially on the market. Well, what I did was bought the product. Or rather, products, since it's more than just a pen. And like I said, got 1, 2, 3 cases here. We got what my guess is the Think Ink, I can't talk, fidget pen. Given the shape of the case, I'm guessing the pen's in there. And 2 cases for the Nutty Buddy, the Slip and Slide, and the Little Thinker. And I'm dropping things. And that appears to be all that is in the envelope, yes. Let's see what we got here. First, instructions. For an instructional video on how to use your Think Ink pen, go to www.thinkinkpen.com. How to extend and retract the tip of your Think Ink pen. With your thumb and forefinger, grasp the metal spinner ring. Must be smarter than the box. With your thumb and forefinger, grasp the metal spinner ring. That appears to be this thing. This magnetic thing here. Pull the spinner ring down towards the writing end of the pen. Let's put my camera back on a tripod here, since I can't seem to do this one-handed right now. Even though the instructions clearly show that you can. Let's see. Pull the spinner ring down towards the writing end of the pen. Ah. Push the spinner ring back up to the middle of the shaft. I removed that by accident. It's a little hard to push. And repeat steps 1, 2, and 3 to retract the tip of the ballpoint pen. How to tighten a slider onto a pencil. With your thumbs and forefingers, this one definitely calls for 2 hands, grasp the nuts on both ends. Let's see. Twist the top nut to the left and the bottom nut to the right until tight, and to remove, twist both nuts the opposite way until loose. Do not twist too far or the nuts will come off the slider body. Looks like that's the end of the instructions. Oh, that is the wrong thing. And then I guess this would be the desk toy. Well, it is magnetic. Pretty sure that ain't how it's supposed to work. Okay then. Got the ink refills. And of course there's the fact that this is stretchable. Oh, that's what it was. It was 2 different sizes. Or not. I will definitely have to look at the information on that one, because I'm pretty sure that thing's supposed to... Unless that's part of the fidgeting. I will have to look at the instructions on that one. Then we have here the different attachments. Let's see, what were they called? The Nutty Buddy, the Slip and Slide, and the Little Thinker. Ooh. Wanna watch things, all these magnets popping off without me. I'm guessing that would be the Slip and Slide. Maybe. That's probably the Nutty Buddy. And these are all things that you can attach to your pen. Well, if that's the Slip and Slide and the Nutty Buddy, that makes this the Little Thinker. I will definitely have to take another look at the site for this product so that I can verify how you use each of the pieces. I got a bunch of metal balls floating all over. Where'd my... Speaking of dropping things, oh, there it is. And this is why I don't like doing these videos when someone is home. Now, let's see if I can put all this stuff back in the box the way it was. What are the odds of that? Magnets being stubborn. Ooh, very strong magnets. Yeah, definitely one of those cases of you'll never get it back in the box the way it was. Maybe. Ah, there we go. That's back in. The ink refills, possibly. Let's see, how was that in there? Nutty Buddy, Slip and Slide, and Little Thinker. I'm not sure if I have an extra ball or if I just put that in the wrong spot. Oh, no, there we go. Well, I will certainly play around with this a bit more so I can do a proper review, but for the unboxing purposes, and this is why I'm not a professional at this thing, the unboxing purpose, that was the Think Ink fidget pen and desk toy and various attachments. Link to the campaign is in the description. If you'd like to see more such videos, then please toss a like or a subscription my way, or check out my site at sidequestpublications.wordpress.com, or even check me out on Patreon. Name there is also Side Quest Publications to see what else I'm up to. And I hope I will... The pub is now closed, and I hope I will see you again. Bye!